Let's take a look at how we calculate change in a quantity. Suppose the weather changes from -4 degrees to 7 degrees. Calculate the change in temperature. Well, one way to think about this is literally look at this at a number line from -4 to 7. What's the change there? Hopefully you can see, if you were to draw a number line like we did up in the previous examples, you would see that there's an 11 degree increase or 11 degree change. Mathematically, we find the change in a value by taking the final value or the final value in a situation and subtract off the initial value. So let me write that for you. The final value minus the initial value. And this calculation will always give us the correct amount of change and in which direction. Let me show you what I mean. The final value here is 7 degrees minus a -4 degrees. Well, in our previous examples up above, we can take a look at this, and we're asking here, what's the difference between 7 and -4? Well, two ways to do that. One way is to think of this as adding the opposite, so that would be 7 degrees adding 4 degrees. So those two are equivalent, and here is where we get our 11 degrees here. So how did this change? Well, it changed from -4 to 7 degrees. That's a total of 11 degrees. So you should write how it changed. So this is an 11 degree increase, or an increase by 11 degrees.